Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee. We'll begin by selecting the right beans and grinding them fresh. This ensures the most vibrant flavors and aromas are captured in your cup. Getting the grind size correct is crucial for proper extraction, so pay close attention to this step. A consistent grind makes all the difference for a truly delicious brew. Next, let's talk about water temperature and brewing methods. Water that is too hot can burn the coffee, while water that is too cool won't extract enough flavor. Aim for that sweet spot between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you prefer pour over, French press, or drip, each method offers a unique experience. Experiment to find your favorite. Achieving optimal extraction is key to avoiding a bitter or weak cup. The contact time between water and grounds is critical. Too long and it's over-extracted, too short and it's under-extracted. Once brewed, serve your coffee promptly to enjoy its peak flavor and aroma. Consider pre-warming your mug to maintain the ideal temperature for longer. A perfect cup awaits. Finally, let's discuss some tips for continued enjoyment and maintenance. Proper storage of your coffee beans helps preserve their freshness and flavor for longer. Regular cleaning of your brewing equipment prevents residue buildup and ensures every cup tastes its best. Remember, a little care goes a long way in maintaining your coffee ritual. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly brewed coffee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.